Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca here from Frugalistablog. I mean, I'm the same person from whatever. Introductions are so hard. Hi, I came, I made it awkward. Goodbye. I have a Stitchfix unboxing for you. Haul. What do you call it? Unboxing? Yeah, it comes in a box. Yeah, so here we go. I'm excited. I've got 5 pieces in here that have been picked out especially for me by my stylist, Nikki. If you're not familiar with Stitchfix, I do have a referral code. If you sign up, you get $25 off. I get $25 credit. It is awesome. I actually think you get $25 credit towards your purchase. That's how that works. There's a styling fee, but that's waived if you purchase any of the clothes. If you purchase all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which is kind of like getting an item free. It's weird that way. I was feeling kind of bored and I wasn't supposed to get this until like, I think it was just, it was something like either Thanksgiving or Christmas, and I'm like, I am insane if I think I'm going to do an unboxing Thanksgiving Day when my package comes the day before or whatever, you know? Because you have like 5 days, 3 days to try everything on and figure out what you're keeping and sending back for them to decide, you know, what are we expecting and what, yeah. Anyway, so my point is I clicked that send my fix now button. Yes, so Nikki kind of went, I bet, whoa, what's Rebecca doing? Speaking of sending things back, this is your return envelope if you need it. I rarely do. This is the item description and prices. This is the note and style cards. What does she say? Hi, Rebecca. I'm so happy to hear you enjoyed your last fix. I did. It was this blouse. Please keep your feedback and requests coming. Yes, I found you a few layering pieces, a colored denim, which I did ask for, and unique silhouettes for fall. I think you'll love the Cosmic Blue Love button-down shirt. Yes. Deep burgundy, not your daughter's jeans, slim straight leg jean. I always get afraid of pants and yet they always fit. It's the magic of Stitch Fix, I swear. And the cozy cocoon style cardigan for a preppy chic vibe. Preppy chic. That's my middle name. The machine washable laundry by Shelly Siegel. Love laundry. Has a gorgeous texture. Ooh, it's a blouse. Okay, pair it with your burgundy. Yes, I'm all about the moto jacket, booties, and yeah, fun. Okay, cool. I love it. Love it. I will tell you the items and the prices. Do not judge if things are either expensive or less money. We all can spend what we want to spend on ourselves, right? Sometimes I'm like, I bought that blouse, that J. Crew blouse that was $100. I bought it last fix and I felt guilty about it. And then you know what? I love it. It is the cutest blouse ever. So if something makes you happy and you can figure out to make it in your budget, don't listen to what other people say. Like your mom, like, you're spending money on that? I am going to show you these and then I'm going to give you a mini fashion show that's poorly lit and you can only see from the tops of my ankles. It's just the way it goes, folks. And my carpet's kind of dirty. I'm excited already because I can feel a very soft shirt and I'm very excited. And that is this. And look at this color because, oh my gosh, my hair was this color. So any of you are just joining us, my hair is a golden blonde, yes, on a regular day. But I did a temporary amethyst tint, and so it was a vibrant amethyst for a while, and now it is a weird greige shade as it washes away. But that's okay. You know what? I try to not let the little things bother me, and I just roll with it. So here is the Cosmic Blue blouse. Love. I love a rayon-y plaid shirt. I'm not really into flannel. FYI, Nikki, are you listening? Flannel kind of bugs me. It's too grunge. It's too 1994 back when I was in college. And I love a rayon plaid because it has like a blousey fun kind of drapey feel, and this is gorgeous, so I love it. It's just so basic and beautiful. And it is $68. The Sonoli Updated Fabric Cotton Blend Cardigan in black. Aha! So it's got the cocoon type cut, so it has that rounded edge. It's black. It's very hard to see black detail on camera. It's got a nice like ribbed cuff. And it looks really, it says it's cotton, but it has kind of a wool feel to it. So that's cool. And that is size small. That is $74. Laundry by Shelley Siegel. Oh, this is so cute. It's like Swiss dot. Do you know what Swiss dot is? It's where it has the like fabric, like the thread dot on the same color. Yeah, so like black on black, white on white, yeah. Anyway, okay, this is the kind of stuff I live for. Thank you, Nikki. I hope this fits. It has like this ruffled tulip gathered puff sleeve. It is sheer, but has like an underneath layering piece. It's just simple and yet super cute. Like I could see that in a pencil skirt, jeans, in a flowy skirt. I mean, I love this kind of stuff. Yes. Give me sleeves, give me bows, give me Peter Pan color. It is a mixed media top. Look at this. Oh my God. Okay, so my face when I'm editing my stills, I always look kind of mad or weird, and it's actual excitement. So my face is a terrible, maybe I would be a really good poker player because I'm always like, and yet I'm happy. I am. Here we go with another sleeve. Do you see the beauty of this detail? It has pleats. It has a balloon sleeve to it. And then it's got just like a little ribbed cuff that makes it comfy. Yeah, it's like a knit top, but with a fancy sleeve. Love it. And that is $88. These are some jeans. Slim. You know, Not Your Daughter jeans, that can be a 4 or it could be a 6. So this will be interesting. This is the Sherry Slim style, lift and tuck. It's a cool shade. I told her, I said, I don't need any more jeans, but if you got some colored denim, I might be interested. So these are pretty cool. These run 100, these are 119, which that's how much they are at Nordstrom. Yes. Okay. They have quite a bit of stretch. And the cool thing about Not Your Daughter jeans is that they have a higher rise. So you aren't going to get the plumber's crack or any coin slot action. And yeah, but they're a little bit sloped in the front so that they're a little lower so they don't cut you off at the belly button. And this way you can kind of eat some bread with your dinner and not have to worry about your pants not fitting anymore. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna try them on. I will be right back. It is more of a wine color. So the CC top is so cute, so comfortable, right? Like, look at that. Look at that. I love it. Love it. There you go, yeah. So it's got a good length to it. It really does. All right. Look at this. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. No. This is, yeah, you guys, I am a sucker for Swiss dot, like, right? Look at that. And then these sleeves are just, they're just so fun. I guess some people would go, what the heck? Why do you need this like bunting on your arm? Well, because it's fun. It's cute. It makes me feel like I'm from 1912, you know? And it's a great length for me. It comes just where it should for, you know, a top this style. You don't want it too long. I don't like my tops too short. That's just how I am. And being long-waisted, that can happen. These are the jeans They fit great. In fact, I think I can go down a size. So I might just see. Stitchfix does have exchanges if they have your size in stock that, you know, they can provide for you. So they're such a comfy, it's like that brushed cotton denim, feels like velvet. It's so comfortable. Yeah, and I don't typically do a straight leg, so that's interesting. Yeah. And they go up high enough. So great. Love it. Here's the cardigan and the plaid shirt. So you can see the cardigan. Oh my gosh, so good, right? Like basic staple of fall. It's the cocoon thing, you know, where it's comfy. It can be just worn over anything, leggings, jeans, you know, whatever you need, a dress. Yeah, and I love the sleeves. Then here is that blouse, or I should say plaid shirt, and it is exactly like I described. It has like this rayon-y drape to it where it just feels good, you know? And it's like casual, but you can do like, you can tuck it. I don't think I'd wear these jeans with them. I just don't know if I like the color combination, but who knows, right? And then it just looks really kind of, it's got that like laid back style, but chic. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this fix. I know I sure did. And like I said, $25 credit if you use my link to sign up. It's, you know what? It's just, I've had such good luck with Stitch Fix. I am very detailed with my requests. Nikki's been great, and I feel like I need to meet her because she's been my stylist for a couple years now. And I use Pinterest boards and inspiration so that she knows exactly what's in my brain when it comes to what I want to wear. And yeah, and I'm straight up front. I'm like, do not send me bags, or do not send me this, or do not, you know, so you got to do it. Alrighty, that's everything. Thank you so much. I hope you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.